Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a board on Pinterest. Keep watching the video till the end. To create a board on Pinterest, firstly go ahead and launch open your Pinterest application. Log into your account and the home page of Pinterest will appear on the screen. Tap on profile icon at the bottom right corner of the page. From the profiles page, tap on plus button at the upper right side of the screen. Once you tap on plus icon, under start creating now, tap on board. Now start by typing in your name for a board and click on next. In case if you want to add pins, select it from the displayed option and click on done. You can edit your board by tapping on manage icon and from the pop-up set your view as wide, default or compact and tap on it. After you're done, click on close. This is how you can create a board on Pinterest quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.